Frasers Plus App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how loyalty programs have evolved. Frasers Plus in 2025 offers rewards, discounts and member perks, but is it worth your time? Frasers Plus allows users to earn points on purchases, access exclusive deals and receive early product releases. The surprising truth is the convenience. You won't believe what happens next when points and perks integrate seamlessly into your shopping experience, both online and in store. Another benefit is personalized offers. Most people get this wrong by thinking loyalty apps are generic. Frasers Plus tailors deals based on shopping habits, ensuring you get value from your favorite products. However, some rewards expire, and certain perks may only be available to premium members. Not all stores may fully participate in the program. In conclusion, Frasers Plus is ideal for regular shoppers looking to maximize savings and exclusive access. If used consistently, it can enhance shopping value in 2025. Occasional users may benefit less, but points accumulation is still worthwhile.